If you are planning a trip to Manila and want to experience one of the city's most famous and talked about streets, then you need to know about Burgos Street in Makati. Now, before you visit, it's important to understand exactly what this area is, what makes it unique, and what you can expect when you get there. Burgos isn't your typical tourist attraction, like a museum or historic landmark. Instead, it's a street known for its nightlife, entertainment, restaurants, bars, and vibrant atmosphere that comes alive after sunset. So when coming here, keep that in mind and plan this for the evening of your trip, let's say after 7 p.m. In today's video, I'll show you why people visit Burgos Street, what you will see there, and some important tips to help you have a safe and enjoyable experience. Let's get started! What is Burgos Street? Burgos Street is located in the heart of Makati, the financial district of Metro Manila. During the daytime, it may look like an ordinary street, but once evening arrives, the entire area transforms into one of Manila's busiest nightlife destinations. For decades, Burgos has attracted both locals and international visitors looking for food, drinks, live music, and a lively social scene. The street is lined with bars, restaurants, convenience stores, hotels, and entertainment venues, aka early bars, making it a popular place for people who want to experience Manila after dark. So, whether you're traveling solo, with friends, or simply curious about the city's nightlife culture, Burgos offers a completely different side of Manila compared to the malls, business districts, and historical attractions. One of the first things you'll notice when you arrive is the energy. The street is usually packed with people, especially on weekends. You'll see tourists from around the world, local Filipinos enjoying a night out, street vendors, security personnel, and countless people walking up and down the sidewalks. Bright neon lights illuminate the area, music can be heard from different venues, and there's always something happening, just around every corner. For photographers and vloggers, the street provides endless opportunities to capture the vibrant nightlife atmosphere of Manila. The environment feels very international, with visitors from Europe, North America, Australia, and many Asian countries all mixing together in one place. Now, let's take a look at food and restaurants. A lot of people don't realize that Burgos is also a great place for food. You'll find everything here, from traditional Filipino cuisine to Japanese, Korean, Thai, Indian, Middle Eastern, and Western restaurants. Whether you're looking for a quick snack, a casual meal, or a late-night dinner after exploring the city, there are plenty of options available. Many restaurants stay open late into the night, which is perfect if you're hungry after visiting bars or exploring Makati. If you're trying Filipino food for the first time, then this area can be a convenient place to sample local dishes, while still having access to international choices if you prefer something familiar. Now, let's get into the chapter that most of you probably were expecting the most in this video, the nightlife experience. Of course, nightlife is the main reason most people visit Burgos Street. The area is filled with bars ranging from small and relaxed venues to large establishments featuring live music, DJs and entertainment shows, aka girly bars. Also, there's a bar with midgets just at the end of the street or in the beginning of the street, depending on where you're coming from. They also do midget fights, like boxing matches and stuff, so maybe that's the one to check out. Some visitors come simply to enjoy a few drinks and people watch. Others spend the entire evening exploring different venues and meeting new people. One of the interesting things about Burgos is that every venue has its own atmosphere. Some are quiet and casual, while others are energetic and loud. You can easily walk from one place to another and find a setting that matches your mood. Even if you're not interested in drinking alcohol, many people visit just to experience the atmosphere and see one of Manila's most famous nightlife districts. What tourists should know. Before visiting, there are a few things every tourist should understand. First, Burgos has a reputation as an adult-oriented nightlife area. While there are many normal bars, restaurants and entertainment venues, visitors should be aware that parts of the street cater to adult nightlife. It's not necessarily a family-friendly tourist destination, especially late at night. Second, expect people promoting bars, restaurants and entertainment venues. This is common throughout the area. A simple, polite "no thank you" is usually enough if you're not interested. Also, some street kids may beg you for money. In that case, use the old phrase "wala wala" to move on. Third, the area is generally busy and well populated, but like any nightlife district in a major city, it's important to stay safe and aware of your surroundings and keep your valuables secure. So that's why we will talk now about safety tips. If you are visiting Burgos Street, here are a few simple safety tips. Always keep your phone and wallet secure. Avoid carrying large amounts of cash. Use reputable transportation services when traveling to and from the area. Stay in well-lit public areas. Know your alcohol limits and drink responsibly. If you're meeting new people, use common sense And lastly, most important one, trust your instincts. Following these basic precautions will help ensure you have a positive experience. Now, what is best time to visit? The best time to visit Burgos Street is usually after sunset. Things begin to get busy around 7 p.m., but the area becomes much more active between 9 p.m. and midnight. Weekends are generally the busiest and most energetic. If you prefer a calmer experience, consider visiting earlier in the evening or during weekdays. For vloggers and content creators, nighttime offers the most interesting visuals thanks to the lights, crowds, and lively atmosphere. One of the advantages of Burgos Street is its location. You're close to many of Makati's major attractions, including shopping centers, hotels, rooftop bars, and business districts. This makes it easy to combine a visit to Burgos with other activities during your stay in Manila. You can spend the day exploring Makati's malls and restaurants, then head to Burgos in the evening to experience the city's nightlife. So, let's finish with some final thoughts. Should you visit Burgos Street? If you're curious about Manila's nightlife, enjoy exploring busy urban environments, and want to experience one of the city's most famous entertainment districts, then it's definitely worth seeing at least once. It's energetic, colorful, diverse, and unlike anywhere else in Manila. Just remember to understand that the area's nightlife-focused reputation and stay aware of your surroundings, and of course approach the experience with realistic expectations. Whether you're there for the food, the atmosphere, or the nightlife, or are simply trying to satisfy your curiosity, Burgos Street offers a unique glimpse into a side of Manila that many travelers find fascinating. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more travel guides and city explorations from around the world. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Also, write me down in the comments what you thought of the video and your own personal experiences from Burgos Street, Manila, Makati. Big Joe out. With his own true eyes, no fear in the alleys, no fear in the bars. Big Joe chasing stories beneath the stars. Big Joe in Angeles City tonight. Fields Avenue burning neon bright. Philly's rocking and Kokomo's wild. Sin City calling every restless child. Brown sugar dancing, black satin glow. So you're saying Joe don't ever go through every danger. His camera stays on. Big Joe still rocking till the night is gone. From the bars to the streets, from the lights to the rain, Big Joe Chief travel riding again. Angeles City where the wild hearts play. Another YouTube vlog at the end of the day. Paano po So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Be sure to leave your comment down below. Check out my video up there in the corner. See you on the next one, guys.